In this video, you will learn how to change the password for your Arreya account. To begin, log in to your channel. In your dashboard, click the Management menu at the top of the page, and then click Users. On the Users page, you will be able to see all active users on the channel. Find the user with your email address and username, and click the Edit button to the right of the user. An Edit User screen will appear. In the Password field, type in the new password you would like to use, and click Update User. You will now be able to log in with your new password. If you are still experiencing issues with your account password, be sure to visit our knowledge base or give us a call and talk to one of our digital signage experts.